Hello folks, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching. Today, as you can see in the intro, we're working on a new load for the Smith & Wesson 986. The projectiles I'm using are projectiles I picked up from our local not even a gun shop, it's kind of a reloading shop. They had these Ziploc bag with no labeling or branding on the ammo, but they put it as a 9mm. So what it has is it's similar to the Hornady's XTP, 147 grain, 0.355 I believe was the diameter on these. Anyways, I load these up, and as you saw in the intro, under some CFE pistol, and let's see how they shoot. All right. It picked up on the chronograph. Okay, shooting a little high, but it's grouping pretty nice. Grouping really nice. Oops, that was me. That was me. Wow. Wow. Alright folks, you saw how that went. I actually like what I saw there. It's probably the first load that I was pretty impressed with. Unfortunately, the projectiles I used were unbranded, unmarked projectiles. So I think 147 grain XTP stylish projectiles might be the direction I need to go. CFE pistol looks like it's giving me good accuracy right now. Chronograph numbers, again, there's that mismatch, right? The chronograph number doesn't match up what we're seeing on a target, but I'm under the philosophy of just going by the target. Anyways, comment below. Let me know what you folks think. I think I'm going to be hunting around for some 147 grain XTP stylish projectile and see if that's the load that this particular revolver likes. Anyways, hope you folks enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.